When your smart doorbell refuses to connect, it usually shows up during setup or suddenly drops offline after working fine before. The app keeps searching, the device doesn't join the network, and you're left trying the same steps again without any result. With a device like the Eufy Doorbell, this kind of issue is often related to signal strength, network settings, or how the connection is being attempted. In many cases, the doorbell can see your Wi Fi but can't complete the connection. This can happen if the signal is too weak, especially if the doorbell is far from the router. Sometimes the network band creates a problem. Many smart devices work better on 2.4 GHz instead of 5 GHz. There are also situations where incorrect password entry or router restrictions stop the connection without giving a clear error. Another common reason is that the setup process didn't fully complete or the device needs a fresh start before trying again. So instead of repeating the same steps, it's better to reset the connection and go through it carefully. These are the fixes. 1. Restart your Eufy doorbell and begin the setup process again. 2. Make sure your phone is connected to the same Wi Fi network you want to use. 3. Enter the Wi Fi password carefully and double check for errors. 4. Place the doorbell closer to your router during setup. 5. Switch to a 2.4 GHz network if your router uses dual band Wi Fi. 6. Restart your router and try connecting again after it fully loads.